Hey, welcome back to your 10-day Yin Yoga Challenge, and congrats for progressing on to day 2. Now, in today's session, I will introduce to you a few Yin Yoga poses that support you to activate your parasympathetic nervous system. And what that means is that it supports your mind and body to feel more calm, relaxed, and at ease. Now, for this session, you can use a bolster. Any type of bolster is fine. If you don't have a bolster, you can use a pillow from your bed. 1 or 2 pillows is fine. And if you don't have any of these props, that is totally fine as well. You can still practice these yin poses without any props. First, let's take a moment to ground. You can sit in any comfortable seated position, whether it's legs crossed or in a kneeling position. Choose a comfortable seat for you. You can rest your palms on your knees if that feels good. And if it's comfortable, you can close your eyes. And if that's not comfortable, you're welcome to gaze at the floor in front of you and just soften your eyes. And take a deep breath into your belly and chest. And a deep sigh out. Letting go of any tension or tightness. So inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. And bringing your breath back to its natural rhythm. Observing the sound of your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. And gently open your eyes. Our first yin pose is child's pose. I invite you to come into a kneeling position. And you can bring the knees out wide, just like this. And just begin to extend your arms forward. And you can either bring your chest, chin, or forehead down. Okay, if it doesn't reach, that's completely fine. If you'd like to, you can place your bed pillows or a bolster in front. Okay, you can hug the prop. And allow yourself to relax. And just relax your arms down and relax your shoulders. And you can explore a little bit more. you can bring the knees out wider. Okay, if that's uncomfortable, you can bring the knees closer together. I invite you to tune into the needs of your body and just do what feels good. Trust in the wisdom of your body and trust in the needs of your body. Notice when you're holding your breath, and just remember to breathe in and breathe out mindfully and with intention. If at any point you do feel uncomfortable, you can readjust your feet or your knees. And gently bring your torso upright. You're welcome to close your eyes if that feels good for you. Just observe how your body is feeling right now. And gently open the eyes. Okay, our second pose is caterpillar pose. So begin to place your feet in front of you like this. It's okay if the knees are slightly bent. So raise your arms up towards the sky. Lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, rest your palms down beside your legs. And just observe the stretching sensations here. Do you feel it in your legs? Do you feel it in your back? Or maybe you feel it somewhere else. Now, it doesn't matter if your back is straight or curved. In Yin Yoga, we're more concerned with the functionality of the practice over form, over the aesthetics or how the pose should look. If you're feeling the stretch without any sharp pain, then you're doing it right. And you're welcome to explore further. If you have a bolster or pillow, you're welcome to place that underneath your knees. And notice how that feels for your body. You might feel more of a back stretch. And just relax the back of your neck. Relax your fingers and your toes. Relax your eyes. And giving yourself and your body full permission to relax. And be present right now. Right now in this moment. There's nothing else you need to do, but be here right now with full presence. Bring your awareness back to your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. And just take your time now to bring the torso upright. You're welcome to remove any props out of the way, keeping your eyes closed. You can sit or lie down on your back and observe any sensations in your body. Our third Yin Yoga pose is a reclining twist. Okay, so just staying where you are, lying down on your back. Okay, begin to interlace the fingers around your right knee and bring the knee towards your chest. And now bring the knee over to the left side of the body. Okay, so if you have your right foot on the floor like this, okay, you want to bring the right buttock cheek off the mat and see if you can bring your right knee down and closer towards the floor. Okay, it's okay if it doesn't touch the floor. And extend your right arm out. Okay, either you bring the knee to the floor or you can rest your knee on one of the props. Again, just tune into the needs of your body and do what feels good for you right now. Okay, this posture here not only strengthens your spine, it improves your posture and the mobility and flexibility of your back. It aids digestion, alleviates cramping, and it's a great posture that massages and nourishes your stomach. Okay, and gently coming out of the pose. In any way you like, just observe the sensations in your body. And now begin to interlace the fingers around your left knee and bring the knee towards your chest. And bring the knee over to the right side of the body. Okay, maybe the knee touches the floor, or maybe it doesn't. You can rest the knee on a prop and extend your left arm out. Ensure the left buttock cheek muscle is lifted off the floor. Breathe deeply. And now come out of the pose in any way you wish. As you lie down on your back, you can place the two scapulars behind your back closer together to bring your chest out. Relax your eyes. Breathing deeply. And you're welcome to stay in this pose, Shavasana, for as long as you wish. Otherwise, please turn to one side. And take your time to sit upright. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again for day 3.